Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That yes is.
Yes, sir, I have sent.
You just tell your name.
Sir, Srikanth.
Srikanth sent. Kirtan. Kirtan sent, na?
Sir,
Shivam Raj.
Sir, Kanishk.
Sir, Pritam.
I have a list of boys, don't worry. We had a doubt. I had a doubt. Others.
Sir Shivam.
Venkatesh. Venkatesh is there for a A section. Yes. Then Abhishek Patil. Nikhil Sonnad is there? No. Then
Sir, my sir. He is there, sir, in meeting, but he is not able to unmute, sir.
he is waiting
Sir,
where
he is telling that his mic is not working.
Yes, sir.
he joined the group.
Yes, sir, in messages he has sent.
Okay. Prithviraj Seshail. Mrutyunjaya. Prajwal Biradar. Sunil. Few papers I have not received, maybe because of received in the sense maybe some problem with the mailbox and all. Okay.
Sir, now I sent, sir, again.
Okay, no problem. Let us see. What we'll do today? Which set was there for the examination? Set number 2. Don't remember. Do you remember? Hello? Hello?
Sir, we not saw.
Okay. Set 2 was there for the examination. How many Lok Sabha constituency reserved for scheduled tribes? What is the answer?
Yes, sir. That was first question.
What is the answer?
47.
47,
47.
sir.
47. What is total Rajya Sabha seats are there in India?
Sir, 250.
Okay. What is the Lok Sabha seats?
Sir, 543.
543. Who was the leader of Lok Dal in 1987? Was the leader?
Devilal, sir.
Huh?
Devilal sir.
Devilal.
Devilal is the right answer. VP Singh was the prime minister. Okay. What is EPIC?
Electors. Photo
Election
Election
identity
photo
card.
identity card.
Election photo
Identity card.
That is election photo identity card. What is the minimum age to contest for Lok Sabha elections?
25 sir.
Sir, 25.
25. What is the education qualification?
Sir, not there.
Not needed, sir.
Not there.
Not needed. Angota chap chalega.
Yes, sir.
Garibi Hatao is a slogan of which political party?
Congress.
Congress.
Congress. Land to the tiller is the slogan of which party?
Sir, Telugu Desam.
Land to the tiller is the slogan of Janata Dal. Janata Dal. Save the Telugu.
Right of Telugu, sir.
Yeah.
That.
That is the Telugu Desam party. Correct.
Yes.
Who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner of India?
President.
Sir, President of India.
President, sir.
It is appointment power in India for topmost post is always lies with in the president. So president appoints the topmost person of the post. Let it be Chief Justice of India, let it be Supreme Court judge or High Court judge or the election commissioner, ambassador, high commissioner, any top post generally by the President of India with the recommendation of the central government. Don't think that a president can appoint any person whom he feels. It's not like that. Central government recommend the name of the person. The recommendation done by the central government to be followed by the President of India. Then people's participation in election is usually measured by what?
Sir, voters turnout.
Voters turnout, sir.
Yeah. What do you mean by pre-poll survey?
Sir, before the
Before
polls-
election,
Before the election,
they say that
the
some
political
results.
some newspaper agencies or people who are involved in survey, they contact the people in a particular locality and they take interview and make a survey. After that, once the surveying is done, then they will come to a conclusion that which political party is going to win in that particular constituency. This entire process is called as pre-poll survey. Voters turnout means what? What is
Sir,
the
number
question?
of people
Sir,
came
number
to
of
vote
voters, sir.
have
Sir,
voted.
percentage of voters that have voted.
Yeah, number of voters who casted their vote in the election. That is called voters turnout. Which state sends maximum members to Lok Sabha? Answer is
Sir, Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh.
okay. This is based on what?
Sir, population.
Population.
Population. Geographically, which is the biggest state?
Sir,
Rajasthan.
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 You told this also in class.
Yeah. Who led TDP in Andhra Pradesh in 1983?
Sir, N.T. Ramarao.
Ramarao, sir.
Ramarao.
Ramarao.
Chandrababu Naidu, Ramakrishna Naidu. Actually, Ramakrishna Naidu and none of the above is nowhere near to the answer. Okay. Next. So your vacation starts from which day?
14th October.
14.
13th October. Okay, not 14th. It's a mistake.
In vacation period, they told 13 October only.
Vacation start from 13th October because 10th November you should be reporting to the school. Which
Okay,
is the
sir.
reporting date?
Sir, parents will be allowed, sir.
Sir, ours is November 11th, sir. 9th and 11th.
Yours is November 11. No?
Yes, sir. 10th and 12th November
Parents
10th.
are allowed in school, sir.
They will allow it. What is given in the instructions?
They not told anything about that.
Sir,
parents
they
can-
not mention about the entries of
Parents, sir.
parents.
Now parents will be allowed because already 600 parents they are all coming. No,
Sir,
No,
6
sir,
to
16,
8 are also coming.
only
no
9
600 now they come in the month of October. 600 they will come in the month of October for verification of documents. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. The National Assembly framed a constitution of 1791 to limit the power of
King.
king.
King, sir.
King. Okay. French women demanded the right to
Sir, all of the above.
All of the
All
above.
of the above, sir.
elected assemblies. All the
Above.
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 All of the above.
So the French women demanded for the political voice in all the activities. Guillotine was A revolutionary club, a state system, a device with which a
A
person
device, sir,
A
by
device
which,
which
by
beheaded,
which
sir.
a person was guillotined.
The person was
Executed,
beheaded.
sir.
yeah,
A device with which a person executed.
a person is executed or killed. The word liveries stand for
Unit of
Sir,
currency in
The
France.
unit of currency in France.
currency of France.
Unit of currency of France.
Which was used
There's a
earlier.
problem in the 16th question. Now, which
Yes,
of
sir.
this book is written by John Locke?
Yes, sir.
Two treaties
Sir,
of.
it is two treaties
Two
of
treaties
government.
of government.
Okay.
The social contracts.
Social contract written by Rousseau.
Sir, Jean-Jacques Rousseau.
Jean-Jacques Rousseau.
J.J. Rousseau. Who was the leader of Jacobin Club?
Sir, Maximilian Robespierre.
Yes, sir.
Maximilian
Robespierre.
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 Maximilian Robespierre. The word democracy comes from the Greek word
Demos
Sir,
and
it should be
Kratia.
democratia, sir.
demos and kratia. Few drawbacks of democracies: instability, corruption, party conflicts. All the above.
All of the
All-
above.
All of the above, sir.
All of the above, sir.
All of the above. Which of these is an example for federalism? USA, India,
India, sir.
USA, sir.
USA.
Sir, India.
India.
USA.
Actually, answer is USA.
Yes, sir.
You made a confusion and wrote India. Why I will explain, because there is a clear-cut federal system of government in United States of America, where the state is free to have their own constitution and the state is free to have their own citizenship. Because in USA, there is no interference by the central government in the state government. Whereas in India, it is called as semi-federal or quasi-federal, because in India, central government controls the state government. Central government controls the state government. That's the reason why in India it is semi-federal or quasi-federal.
Okay, sir.
Question number 21. When was Nelson Mandela sentenced to jail?
1964.
1964.
1964. Name the racial policy followed in South Africa.
Apartheid.
Apartheid.
Apartheid. Apartheid. When was national flag of Republic of South Africa unfurled? That is on
1994.
1994 or 6?
4.
4, sir.
4, sir.
1994, sir.
When was the Constitution of India drafted?
1928, sir. First by
1920.
Nehru.
1928 by Motilal Nehru.
Nehru. Motilal Nehru, sir.
Motilal Nehru in the Karachi session of Indian National Congress. The Karachi session of
Yes,
Indian
sir.
National Congress.
Karachi session.
Who chaired the drafting committee of Indian Constitution?
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
B.R. Ambedkar.
B.R. Ambedkar.
Ambedkar.
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Rajendra Prasad presided what? Constituent Assembly. Constituent Assembly. A section, who are there in this class?
Sir, I say Pritam Singh.
Pritam Singh, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Donor.
Yes, sir. Pritam Singh Donor.
Okay, then
Sir, B or A section, sir?
A section. First let us go
Yes,
to-
sir. Shivam Raj, sir.
Then
Shivam Raj, sir.
Sir, Chandru Arer.
Chandru Are, okay. Chandru Are,
Shivam Kumar.
wait, Chandru, Januru,
Sir, 4 are there, sir.
then
Shivam Kumar, sir. And
Suprita,
Suprit.
Yes, sir.
Suprit Sagar Giri.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, who's one more?
Sir, Shivam Kumar is not answering. Shivam.
Yes,
Shiv-
sir.
Shivakumar is not there in.
Is
I'm
there,
there,
sir?
sir.
Shivakumar is there. Only four
Yes,
are
sir.
there.
No, sir, 5 are there, sir. 5.
Who's one more?
Sir, Shivam Raj, sir, Preetam, Chandru, Shivam Kumar, and Suprit Giri.
Shivam, correct.
Sir, Sonam Pandey.
Sonam Pandey. Silent में अभी बोल रही है. Okay. B section. B section. B section. Speak out.
Vinayak sir, Kirtan sir, Ved sir,
Right.
Nikhil sir,
Vinayak.
Abhishek.
Kirtan. Then
Sir, Abhishek Pat.
Vinayak.
Sir, Shrikant.
yes sir, Vinayak.
Prajwal Birad.
Prajwal Biradar. Okay.
Sidling sir,
Basanwada Biradar na.
Shrikant
Shrikant. Okay. Prajwal Biradar.
Yes, sir.
Then
Sir, Shivam Rathore.
Ved,
then
Girja Shankar.
Oh, sir.
Dot.
who else?
that dot fellow sir, that he is Girja Shankar sir.
Girja Shankar.
Girja Shankar dot. Why? What happened to him? Dot Girja Shankar.
Bot Girja.
Okay. Any other? Kadar
Sir,
Patel left the school.
No sir, still is sending sir. Most probably Jishan left sir.
Jishan left, not most probably, he left. Okay, 9th C,
Sir, Samarth B class.
Sir,
Samarth.
Yes,
Okay.
sir, Samarth Chimney.
Samarth,
9C, three members.
कौन? 9C कौन?
Om, Revan Siddha and Kanishk, sir.
Okay. Revan Siddha. Revan Siddha,
Om,
5,
Ganesh and
5533. Who's one more?
Sir, Om Yashwant.
1573.
Om, okay. So, okay. Have you sent your details for CBSE registration?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's very important because
Yes, sir.
this year I was in charge for the LOC, that is list of candidates for the class 10th standard. Few class 9th boys last year, because of your updation is not proper. So this year we face few problems in the class 10th. So when you send your details, because your teachers will send once again for clarification. Okay. Hope they send. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The teacher sent for the teacher, class teacher sent for the clarification.
Yes, sir, they sent.
Have you gone through that? Please
Yes,
go
sir.
through seriously because it is your CBSE documentation. Understood? Because CBSE
Sir, in
document,
that they ask photo, sir, also.
photo, your name, spelling, father's name, mother's name, date of birth. Okay. Photo you can change because next year when you come to class 9th, class 10th, the photo updation will be allowed. You okay?
Yes.
It's not an issue with the, because with the next year you will be physically will be available in the school, not like what happened now. Okay. How you are spending your holidays? Any plan?
No, sir.
No plan.
No, sir, Corona.
Sir, going to shop, sir, sitting there and coming.
Sir, I plan to write notes of term 2, sir.
That is best plan because there is a possibility of NCC camp in the month of December. Okay. So when the NCC, because you are the NCC second year cadets. So for you, NCC camp is compulsory in class 9th for A certificate examination. So because when you visit to the school in the month of November, hardly you will get 1 month. Within 1 month, your NCC camps will start. Situation will be very tight everywhere.
Sir, our khaki dress.
What?
Yes, sir. Will not.
Sir, it will not fit only for us, sir.
It
You-
is
That only, sir.
wearing, sir.
Our shoes became small, sir. My shoes, all clothes became small.
Shoes we can take, but not
You
khaki
got
clothes.
1 month time, no? You reduce your size or purchase a new dress.
Sir, khaki dress will
Sir,
not get
Khaki
outside,
dress,
sir.
sir.
Sir, but khaki
Sir, in
you
ninth
should give
class, they have to give
measurement
new
there
one,
only,
sir.
na, sir.
Yes,
In,
ma'am.
Maybe I don't know. They may think of because it is not problem of you, no. It is a problem of entire generation of your classmates.
Except khaki dress, we can buy everything from outside, sir. We can't buy khaki dress from
No
outside.
problem. If that is the case, it is not for only for you, no. It is for everyone. So I think the school.
Then we should wear civil dress, sir, in school.
I think we should wear
Black
white and
and
black
white.
for some time, sir.
Black and white.
Yes, sir. For some time we should wear.
Mention black and
class
white
we wore
in
like
that PDF.
6th class, you are what wearing? You have to wear that. Color dress,
Yes,
I don't think they will allow you to wear.
only on Sunday,
No,
sir.
sir. They will allow black, white and black or white and white.